This is Pratik from CreateOS. We have introduced CreateOS Sandbox as a service. Fast, ephemeral, full Linux virtual machines, best for AI agents running ad hoc code or any kind of batch or CI applications. What distinguishes CreateOS Sandbox from other sandboxes? We have features like live directory sync, through which you can sync your current working directory from your local to Sandbox. Fork, through which you can fork a sandbox to multiple sandboxes. We have S3 as a disk. You can mount any S3 compatible service onto Sandbox as a directory. We have port forwarding, where you can port forward a Sandbox port, let's say 8080, to your local machine, and SSH gateway, public egress control, and more. This is createos.sh/app/sandbox. This is our web UI for sandboxes. Other than that, we have utilities like CreateOS CLI, through which your agent harness can interact with CreateOS sandboxes. We have SDK, through which you can programmatically access and spawn sandboxes, and you can also access all those features which I just mentioned. We have some use cases that have been created in-house on top of CreateOS Sandbox. One of them is CreateOS Sandbox GitHub Action Runners, in which we have utilized Cloudflare and CreateOS Sandbox to leverage Sandbox as a CI/CD. So this is how it works, and we have a Cloud Code plugin as well, through which your Cloud Code harness will utilize CreateOS Sandboxes for running ad hoc code, creating a ephemeral environment to preview anything, to test anything at a scale. Apart from that, we have 50 plus examples of sandboxes. Latest examples are Cloud Managed Agent and Cloud Self-Hosted Agents as well. So do check this out, guys. Thank you for watching.